All right, we're on our way back from the class. So I had a lot of fun. It's not one of those classes where I was going to film everything and just show you everything. I feel like I just wanted to share my experience with it, so I'm going to do a quick little conclusion to the video, or to the course anyways, on what it was all about. And I had a lot of fun. It was Steve, Trina wasn't there today, and it was 4 of us, 4 students. So Steve and 4 students doing the BRCO2. Steve from Riders on MTC. And I had a booger, and while we're doing it, I offered to help. So this was actually really cool. This is why I like Steve and Trina and Riders on MTC. I offered to help, and he's like, "Sure, come on, help." And I was able to help set up cones. I did the demo ride, so when he was explaining things like, "Okay, you're gonna turn here, you're gonna stop here," I was able to do that. So it was really nice to be able to do that and help out and get a perspective from that side of the course, because I came into this course already have taken the BRC1, the advanced MSF course with them, the total control one, and now back to beginner. So a lot of the stuff that we did today I already knew, but it was great practice to re-practice it. But I wanted to get the most I could out of that class, because you guys are the ones that sponsored me to go to the class. You paid for this class, so thank you, Rosemary, for paying for the class and getting me to get. I mean, she dumped like a lot of money. She paid for my beginner, advanced, and this class specifically. But everybody else was donating. Anyways, patrons, thank you so much. It was all a collective effort. But thank you, Rosemary. DDFM legend. But anyways, it was nice to be able to get the most I possibly could out of that class, because I was able to get my foot kind of into the instructor role. So a little bit extra. Now, one thing I was able to learn for myself is that I do need to practice more of my slow speed turns, and my front suspension sucks, because when I am turning, I bottom out. So I actually have progressive shocks on the way. Thank you, Get Lowered Cycles. I got progressive front shocks on the way, got a good price on them, and I can't wait to install them. So this bike will probably be out of commission for a while. I'll be riding on Nikki's bike, doing some vlogs if I have to, if I can't figure out how to put the shocks in here. But I had a lot of fun riding the course. I had a lot of fun. It was great meeting new people, great seeing what people struggled with, great seeing how I even used to be like a couple weeks ago. Like, I literally was like that a couple weeks ago. Something clicked in me within a couple weeks that I'm able to do this. So like I felt like a badass. Oh, we gotta do emergency stop. So I felt like a badass only because I kind of knew what I was doing. But guys, that only happened within the last few weeks. And that's because I practice. That's crazy. Within a few weeks you practice in a parking lot, you can do it. So anyways, it was really nice to see where I came from and where other people are. So I'm able to teach at that level. I'm able to see the problems that people are facing at that level from the outside, you know, with a little bit more knowledge and how to fix it. So it was really good. It was really good. I'm glad. I had a lot of fun. I can't wait to go back out there. He offered for me to come back out there and help out anytime and do some stuff. They're going to be painting a bike bonding course, so I'm going to see if I can help out next week and help paint that course for him or with him. That'd be a lot of fun, but it would be great. Here's the thing, guys. It would be great to have a DDFM crew meet up at the MSF course, either BRC1 or BRC2. If you've never taken a course, BRC1 is a lot of fun, and you're already riding, so take BRC1. You get to ride someone else's bike. How fun is that? You might already know some things, but you're definitely going to learn some other things, because it is a nice 2-day course. It's a lot of fun. So it'd be great to have the local Tucson or anybody near Tucson just come swing down and do a BRC1. And if you can only do the BRC2, let's do the BRC2 together. It'd be great to have our own DDFM crew group just showing up and having like 4 to 8 of us just like in a group paying for the class and everything and just doing it, and I can help out and I'll be there and we'll make a video of it. You guys, oh, I think this thing died. We'll make a video of it. The thing died. We'll make a video of it and have a lot of fun. So I think that would be a lot of fun. Let me know if you guys think that would be something you'd like to do. Maybe I can, I'm all talking to this camera. It's like, maybe I can get a discount for us. I don't know. We'll see. As long as I can fill up a class, you know? But I think it'd be a lot of fun. I think it'd be great. be a great experience. We do dual vlogs, so you guys can bring your vlogging stuff, and we can do all this stuff, and we'll see. I don't know, we'll see. But I just wanted to explain kind of what I did and what I did not do and all that stuff, and hopefully the other videos came out okay if I even use them. I'll probably be using some B-roll or whatever. I don't know. Anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and go home and do some live stream Twitch of editing on this. So if you guys like that, go to the Twitch channel so you can see me edit this and talk about this more in depth. A little bit of fun. Hopefully it stopped recording before it shut off, because sometimes cameras, if they shut off, it like corrupts the file. Anyways, if you guys want to see me edit this, you guys want to see these things a little bit sooner than later, join Patreon or join my Twitch. Simple as that. And we can hang out and talk, and you can ask questions, and I'll be Radio Shack and hopefully have answers, and I'll have a lot of fun. I keep saying fun. I'm just in a good mood. Anyways, I'll see you guys later, alright?